You guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you saw on the description box, this is mini haul from Sam's Club and Walmart. Stay tuned to watch what I get for this long 4th of July weekend. So first, it's not particular order. I'm gonna mention where I got it from. I think almost everything is from Sam's. I will let you know what I got at Walmart. Everything else is gonna be from Sam's. Left to right, this heavy cream, as you know, organic is what it is. It doesn't have too much ingredients, only 2 of them. If you watch my video that I was talking about all the stuff, fillers and preservatives that they add to the heavy cream, the ones that are not on organic are the ones that my stomach doesn't like, so that's why I ordered the organic one, or in this case I bought this one because I ordered all of the Sam stuff from Instacart. The Walmart stuff I went to the store and got it, so this is from Walmart. Next, cheese, baby Swiss cheese. Let's see if this one doesn't get bad as quickly as the one shredded, because I shred mine, but sometimes I cannot find the brick and I buy it shredded and then go back really fast. So let's see if this one isn't sliced. So hopefully it doesn't go bad as quickly. See, this one is pretty much clean ingredients, doesn't have any fillers, doesn't have any added carbs. So this is good. We'll see. I'll keep you guys posted on this baby cheese. Next, this weekend is gonna be a barbecuing weekend. I'm still celebrating my birthday. If you don't know, I don't think you know, but my birthday was past Wednesday. Today is Friday, so yeah, it's gonna be a celebration of my birthday and also 4th of July. We got a 24-pack of this baby. Obviously, everything else is in the fridge. I don't want to hear it. I know this is not clear ingredients, but hey, I prefer this one to the regular one. At least doesn't have that sugars that spike my blood. So this one also was at Walmart. Lemons, I'm gonna do my lemons, rice, cauliflower rice with lemon and cilantro. So I didn't have any lemons. This is why I bought the pack. My avocados, I'm thinking doing maybe guacamole. Not sure yet, but yeah, they are not ripe yet, so I will need to wait. Oh yeah, definitely. This baby, I was anxious. I was so excited for this one. I was finally available on my local Sam's because every time I went there, they were out of stock. So yeah, panino, pepperoni, prosciutto, and salami. This is good for snacks. Next, this baby, I got it at Sam's finally. I found it at store. Chocolate with stevia, well, erythritol, yeah, God, erythritol, or however you pronounce it. I cannot wait to try this one. I think I'm gonna use it for strawberries, maybe ice cream. So yeah, I tried this baby already because I was impatient and I like it a lot. I didn't expect the flavor was gonna be that rich as it is. To me, it's a little bit sweet. So next time, maybe I add more almond milk. I use almond milk. The one is unsweetened with chocolate. I use this one. So good. Also at Walmart. This baby, I know it's not the best, but hey, this is the best option that it comes in packs. So yeah, this is the one. This is not only for me, this is for the entire house. So yeah, turkey ham, super lean, so it doesn't have any extra fat. I know that I eat fats, but I always like to control the fats that I eat. Oh, I forgot this baby. This baby, Walmart, perfect, not added sugar, pretty much clean ingredients, doesn't have a lot of carbs, only one. So yeah, that was at Walmart. This baby over here for my pot roast. I'm so bummed because I wanted to do the pot roast this weekend. That way I didn't have to cook for tomorrow. But they didn't have it, so I got this at Walmart. I have a lot. I'm gonna look up for more recipes using this baby and see how it goes. This was a Walmart. Like I said, barbecuing weekend. These hamburger buns is the ones that had less carbs, because I didn't have time to go to Aldi's and check if they had their bread. So it's pretty much around 14 carbs. It's not that bad. It could be better, but hey, if this is the only one available, I'm gonna eat it. Bacon pieces. I was sleeping on the bacon pieces, I'm gonna be honest. I bought the small pack a few weeks ago and it's gone. Like I said, I was sleeping on it. It's not like I'm gonna eat this every single day, but it helps. Trust me, with the salads. If you're following me on Instagram, you know that I'm obsessed with salad, and this baby over here, the salad's perfect. If you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing a lot. Just letting you know. Oh, also, Walmart. This baby, I tried the regular barbecue. Ooh, super good. So I decided to try this marinade and see how it goes with chicken. I like orange chicken a lot, but that has a lot of sugar. So this is sugar free. Let's see how it goes with this one. I'll keep you guys posted with this baby over here. And last but not least, again, I don't want to hear it, pink lemonade, 0 sugar. These are the macros for this weekend. It's perfect. Doesn't spike my blood sugar. This is not the first time I drink it, and doesn't affect my fat loss journey. So yeah, every once in a while I get it. This is once in a while. So yeah, this is my mini haul for this week. Hopefully you guys love this type of video. I know you do, because I've been seeing your comments, your views, so thank you for that. Yeah, this is it for this video, and remember, sharing is caring, and don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye bye.